torturing yourself during a long plank is just bullshit, and there's science behind it. While you are trying to stay still during a plank, your actual progress might be standing still too. Just give me 100 seconds. Isometrics, like the word said, build strength in a very narrow window, specifically only at exact angle you are holding. This is called joint angle specificity. If you hold a squat at 90 degrees, you get strong at 90 degrees, but your muscles are left weak through the rest of the movement. Research shows moving through a full range of motion is significantly more effective for muscle hypertrophy and functional strength. If you say why, because movement triggers more mechanical tension across the entire muscle fiber and not just a static segment. Then there's psychology. Isometrics feel hard, that burning sensation from acid buildup. Your brain thinks because it hurts, it's working, but the static holds are mentally draining and have low transferability to real life. To get results that move with you, you need to move. So stop wasting your workouts. Swap the plank for slow eccentrics. Instead of holding, lower yourself for 5 seconds. You get the tension and the range of motion. Swap the world set for Bulgarian split squats. Use your balance and mobility. And even if your goal is to just lose fat, by simply moving more, you're burning more calories, building more muscle, and finishing the workout faster.